Welcome to my garden and the dinosaurs who live there. We're on Saturday the 24th of June. It's a bit overcast just now, very muggy, so I think we might be in for some thunder later. But in advance of that, I want to do a bit of harvesting. So, this is a pot of Maris barred potatoes, and I put 3 seed potatoes in this pot, and I think it was, and I didn't put the date on foolishly, I think it was the first weekend in April. So we're sort of around about the time when it's okay to harvest, I think. Maybe a touch early, but I'm needing some potatoes, and I thought I would have a bash at harvesting these. So let's see what I get. So I hope it's not too noisy. We're having some work done on the house. Yay! And there's various bangings and sawings, but hopefully you'll be able to hear and see. So I'm just going to take out the haulms first of all. There's a little potato there actually on the surface. Go. There's certainly plenty of greenery, but hopefully it's not all top and no bottom. Don't be eating that, Edith. Right. Okie dokie. This is a 25 litre pot, so it's quite a small pot, I suppose, for potatoes. It's quite wet. Oh, it's not that wet actually. Right. There's one of the seed potatoes. It's actually still quite hard. Put that there. Is that the balance? Let's see. Quite a nice size for a first early, I think. Another one of the seed potatoes. there's a third seed potato. I think I'll just put all that there. Right, I think that's us. Let's just see. Cool. Okay. There we go. I'm not displeased with that. This is quite a nice little crop of Maris bird. This wee one, just a wee bit green, so I'll discard that one. But the rest are nice and healthy. Not too bad a size, a few little ones, but some are not too bad sized. So yeah, pleased with that. So I'm going to harvest my garlic today as well. We've got plenty of scapes on them. I wonder if I could potentially just wait a couple more weeks, but I really need the bed, to be honest. Now I did a test harvest of one garlic a couple of days ago and it looked great, so I'm just going to pull the rest up and take you along with me when I do it. This is a hard neck garlic called Checkmate. So I can see some of them are a wee bit thin, but let's see what the bulbs are like. That's not bad. It tends to be quite a large bulb, but that's not too bad. You can see there's little hints of red on it. Yeah, that's okay. Nice and firm. Smells divine. Right, well I'm pleased with that harvest. I've got, as I say, I've got one in the polytunnel which is a decent size, and then we've got these. I've got one that didn't split somewhere, but the rest have given me some nice size cloves. So yeah, very pleased with that. I'll save a couple of these for putting in the autumn like I did last year, and hopefully I'll get another nice crop of Checkmate next year. I have to say I do recommend Checkmate. It's a really nice tasting garlic, and you get, you know, some nice size cloves, nice size bulbs and cloves. So yeah, if you haven't tried it, I would suggest you do. I'd also love to hear what garlic you grow and what you would recommend, because I'll maybe try a second variety tail end of this year, as well as the Checkmate. So I took garlic out of this bottom half of the bed and I'm going to give it a light weeding because it definitely needs a light weeding. I'm going to pop some chicken manure pellets in there and then I'm going to put in some more brassicas. The onions here will come out sooner rather than later, and I'll have more brassicas in there, so this will become another little brassica bed. But for now I'm just going to put 4 in. I'm going to put 2 Calabrese and 2 cabbage. I can't remember which kind of cabbage, it might be golden acre actually. So 2 Calabrese and 2 cabbage here, and then I'll have space for some more brassicas once the onions come out. Cozy. I'm going to use these anti-slug rings as much to help support the plants in their current size, but in the hope that if any slugs do appear, then this little bit here, the overhang, is meant to stop them getting to your plants. But of course if the plant's leaves then hang over that, they'll get on anyway. But anyway, we shall put these in and see how we go. Slight change of method. There we go. One. There we go. 2 Calabrese, 2 cabbage. I'll give them a nice water in now, and I will get them netted once I get the onions out. So once I get the onions out, there's a couple of broccoli, beetroot in there, that's fine. But once I get the onions out, I'll get this all netted because the other brassicas in here too. I'm quickly going to get these bistro shallots harvested because it's just about to start raining and potentially thundering, and I've got a nice little crop of these actually. Whoops! and I just pop them in the polytunnel to dry a little bit. I'll maybe just leave those smaller ones in, see if they fancy doing a little bit more. We'll see. Oh, well, actually, do I really? Yeah, let's just get them all. These are really tiny ones, but these are okay. Oh dear, rain. Okay, so I'll get these in the polytunnel, and I think I'll call a halt there. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. I'd like to hear about your harvesting, what potatoes you're harvesting and how good they've been or otherwise. Your garlic, your onions, whatever. Pop some comments below. I'd love to hear from you. But for now, I'll say bye bye.